China has launched a multi-million-dollar biodiversity fund for developing countries. The announcement came as President Xi Jinping virtually addressed the COP15 Biodiversity Summit. Beijing has vowed to provide nearly $233 million to support biodiversity protection in developing countries. President Xi Jinping added that other parties' contributions were also welcomed. This year's summit was held in China.
I hereby announce that China will take the lead to establish the Kunming Biodiversity Fund to support biodiversity conservation in developing countries. China calls on and welcomes all parties to contribute to the fund. Facing the dual task of restoring the economy and protecting the environment, developing countries need even more help and support. We need to strengthen our unity and work together to get through this challenging time so that the results of development and better ecology will be fairer, which will benefit the people of all countries and build a home for the common development of every country on this planet.
The announcement came as China faces mounting pressure to act against climate change. Experts saying that China, which is the world's biggest polluter, is not doing enough to cut carbon emissions. China's decision to launch its own biodiversity fund may also be seen as a snub to the UK. Remember, the UK has been asking countries to contribute to climate financing to help developing nations in mitigating natural disasters. Apart from this, Xi Jinping will also not be attending the COP26 climate summit, which will be held in UK's Glasgow. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.